All right, have you noticed that our code editor doesn't recognize the runApp function? As we discussed before, runApp is a fundamental part of the Flutter framework. However, when writing code, you must be very explicit. It's crucial to tell your program exactly where runApp is coming from because it won't guess for you. There are countless libraries and packages out there developed by talented programmers worldwide. Your code editor isn't going to guess which package the runApp function might be from. You need to clearly direct your code to the right place. The first crucial step in managing this in a Dart program is to check the pubspec.yaml file. This file is where you manage all your project's dependencies. You list the libraries or frameworks you want to use in your project here. In our pubspec.yaml, Flutter is already added as a dependency by default when we create a new Flutter project, so there's no need to change anything there. It's crucial to have this entry because it ensures that we can use features from the Flutter package. Remember, later in the course, we will explore how to add all external packages in the Dependencies section. Understanding how to check and manage dependencies is essential in Flutter programming. Coming back to main file, even though we've added Flutter as a dependency, we still encounter an error. This happens because adding a dependency doesn't automatically tell our Dart file about where to find specific functions like runApp. To solve this, we need to include an import statement at the top of our file. The import keyword is built into Dart and is used to link our code file, here, main.dart, with another code file. This is how we specify that we want to use certain features, like functions, defined in another file. After the import keyword, we add the path to the file we need within quotes. Single quotes are preferred in Dart. For example, since we're importing from a package, we begin by typing single quotes, followed by the word package. You can select package from the autocomplete suggestions that appear. Next, it should be followed by the package name. Since we need specific functionality from the Flutter package, particularly material.dart, start typing F and L. The code editor will again offer autocomplete suggestions for Flutter. Continue by typing M and A to select material.dart. This helps speed up your development and reduces the risk of typos. Now, select material.dart with your arrow keys and press Tab to complete the path. Remember, like most statements in Dart, this import statement must end with a semicolon, except function definitions don't require a semicolon at the end. Once you add this import statement, you'll notice the runApp error disappears, and the color of runApp in the editor changes from white to a light yellow. This change indicates that the identifier has been recognized. There might still be other errors which we'll address soon, but now runApp is correctly linked because material.dart provides access to the runApp function defined by Flutter.